Welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey. Today's recipe, the second recipe of the day, is masala corn chaat. The masala corn chaat is quite popular with kids especially. They absolutely love the buttery and the spicy corn chaat. Let's have a quick look on our ingredient list. So here I've taken some spring onions, around 2 by 3 cup of spring onions or more. They have been roughly chopped. Salt for taste. Some pepper. Around 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin, that is roasted zira, and 1 lemon. I've been using just 1 slice of lemon. You can add in more if you want. And these are frozen corn. I now get a fresh batch of corn, so these are frozen corn kernels, around 400 grams. Butter, I'll be using around 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. You can add in more. And water, 250 to 300 ml. Instead of spring onions, you can also use coriander leaves. If you get a fresh batch of corn kernels, then well and good, but here I did not get it, so I'm using a frozen corn packet, which I'll be boiling it and then adding all the spices to it when it's still hot. Now let us begin with the process. Transfer the corn kernels into a pan and then add in water. Add around 250 ml of water for 400 grams of corn kernels. Let the frozen corn kernels boil for around 8 to 10 minutes. Also note that you need to keep the flame into medium-high flame. Let the corn kernels boil for around 8 to 10 minutes approx. Do not add any salt to it and just let it cool for around 5 minutes post you have boiled it. Kindly remove the excess water with the help of a strainer. Completely drain the corn kernels and then discard the water. Transfer the corn kernels into a big glass bowl. Now let us start adding all the spices when the corn kernels are quite warm or hot. Add in pepper. Add salt for taste. You can adjust the salt. Add chaat masala. Add roasted cumin powder. Add the red chili powder. Now add the spring onions, 1 by 4 cup. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix them well. Be generous in adding butter. If you want to add more, you can add in. Combine them thoroughly. Now take half slice of lemon and just squeeze in the lemon juice so that you get that tangy hint. Post you add in the lemon juice, give it a good mix and serve them hot. Before you serve them, do adjust the salt and the chilies. Usually I do not add too much of chili powder if I'm making this for my kids. So you can adjust accordingly and you can add in pepper. Sprinkle some more of the spring onions, or you can also add coriander leaves. If you do not stock spring onions, then you can add some coriander leaves as well. Please do not forget to check the description box below for the exact recipe and the process to be followed. You can also share this recipe by just clicking the link below and clicking onto the share button. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples in Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name Flora and Aroma. Thank you so much. Do share my videos with all your friends and family.